up, Fabs and Besties? You know I am always looking for fashion items to add to Mini Toya's wardrobe. Yep, I get first dibs here in the Miniverse. And I'm trying out a new lipstick today. What do you think? Neutral tones are my absolute favorite. Like this sweater from Fancy Doll Design on Etsy. But every once in a while, I don't mind being a little extra. So I'm checking out Barbie Extra Dolls number 11, 12, and 13. Aw man, my sticker's gone. I got them from Walmart.com for prices ranging from $24.99 to $27.99. I am not a huge fan of paying premiums, so in the future I will wait until they are at their suggested retail price. Because, to be honest, I'm really just here for the accessories. I can't help it. I take everybody's clothes. So let's start with doll number 11. She has very long green hair, styled into one twist. She wears a metallic hair comb that says Girls Rule. It looks like a small tiara. She has long metallic earrings that are not designed to be removed. She wears a silver metallic necklace, has green eyes, green eyeshadow, star freckles going across her nose, pink lipstick, wears an oversized white shirt with a picture of a pink bow that's gathered at the waist with the sign that says extra. It has black stitching. She comes with 3 bracelets on her wrist, a lavender faux fur boa. It's pretty fluffy if you shake it out. From sewn edge to sewn edge, it's about 11 inches long. She comes with a cereal box purse, what looks like black patent leather pants with printed laces, purple jelly sneakers, black sunglasses with white painted pearls. She comes with a parrot who wears sunglasses. The glasses are removable. And there are 2 cereal boxes. I think the cereal boxes are definitely a fun detail. They are a hard plastic with a printed image. You could totally change the cover if you wanted to, have a little fun customizing. The fur boa could be useful. I'm supposed to go to a purple event and I had nothing to wear, so this might come in handy. I will probably use the t-shirt as like a night shirt. And Mini Toya could totally wear those pants to the next concert. Oh yeah, I just paired it with a simple black tank top from Creatable World, and this could be a look. Add the fur boa, and I am so rock and roll. Here is doll number 12. She has long blonde hair with a braid on one side. There is some product on the other with little heart details printed onto the hair. That's a lot of product, it's pretty crunchy. Her makeup is pretty soft and fresh, however she is a little pixelated. She wears large metallic gold-colored earrings, a white plastic choker, a clear poncho with white flowers. It opens and closes with a snap in the back. Underneath, she has a faux denim 2-piece outfit with a collar and a faux yellow button at the neck. It has a large floral print. The print is on the shorts as well as another faux yellow button. There is a ruffle fringe at the bottom. Pockets? You know I love pockets. The pattern continues all the way around and it velcros in the back. She has a purple flower bracelet and a pink cluster bracelet. And one of the little bracelets say Barbie. That's cute. She has a purple glitter translucent bag, white boots with ruffles, blue flower sunglasses with white painted details, a red necklace that says love, a green statement necklace. She comes with a white rabbit wearing a bucket hat. The rabbit has earrings, a necklace, and the hat is removable. There is also a green little basket with pink painted flowers. I don't know. What do you think? I love the pockets. There's just a lot of color and a lot of pattern. This is probably like a trend somewhere that I don't know about. But with the white Barbie Extra t-shirt, this could be a fun look for summer. Yeah, I could rock this. Last but not least, doll number 13. Her hair is brown with pink highlights in the front. It stops a little below the waist, and the texture is kind of different. The hair has a soft wave to it, but on the ends, it kind of feels fried. I don't know, this could just be my experience and yours could be different. I do like the eyeshadow. It's kind of faded on the ends. That's pretty cool. Her lips are pink. I do have a little rubbing there, but that's probably from the box. She has large gray hoops, a chunky gold-colored necklace, and the piece I was most excited to see, this blue plaid jacket. The pattern goes all the way around. There are functional pockets in the front. It's oversized, and I think this is a good piece to add to our wardrobe. She wears a pink plastic scrunchie on her wrist, carries a basketball purse that says, "Let's play." This is a curvy doll. Under the jacket, she wears a shredded jersey. It's two-tone with white trim around the neck and arms. It's solid on the back with Velcro. She wears black biker shorts underneath and has a pair of brown boots. She also comes with a gold-colored necklace with a star, a pink plastic choker, a pink translucent watch, black fire sunglasses, and a pet with a donut floaty. The donut floaty is cute. I wish it was a good size for like a Chelsea doll, because I could personally do without all of the pets. But I feel like I say that every video, so let's move on. These dolls are articulated with movement at the head. It can rotate all around. There is full rotation at the shoulders, and they can go out to the side. She can bend at the elbow, at the wrist. We got rotation there, and it can go up and down. Rotate at the hip, and bend at the knee. Oh yeah, I couldn't wait to get my hands on this jacket, which can totally fit the guys, but I was hoping to pair it with a white t-shirt. This is the one I was wearing earlier. It came with another Barbie Extra doll, you know, the one with the tulle jacket, and I paired it with a long heather gray pencil skirt for a totally chill, casual look. We can also pair it with Ken joggers for a similar look, just one with pants. I found charcoal gray sweatpants and heather gray. I think I like these the best. Add a baseball cap, the BMR 1959 sling bag, and we've got that Instagrammable I tried to look like I didn't try look. Out of everything we've seen today, this jacket is definitely my favorite piece. Yeah. She's never getting this back. Thank you for joining us while we tried on some Barbie Extra clothes. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye!